Let's talk about exporting our video. Let's go to the right-hand side and click on Publish. If we want to publish this directly to somewhere like YouTube, we can do that here, or we can click on Export. Within video, we can choose to export. Right now, it's our current composition, but we can change this to scene, a line break, or all compositions. We can change the resolution. Right now, it's set to 720p, but I could make this 4K if I wanted to. We can change the quality, which is currently set to medium. I'll change this to high. We can configure our audio, metadata, and advanced settings as well. Here at the top, you can change your audio, GIF, and timeline settings. But in particular, I want to call out the transcript and subtitle menus. Let's click into transcript. And here we can export our transcript by itself. Right now it's set to export as a Microsoft Word document. I'll click into this, but we can change the format here as well if we wanted to. Then under subtitles, we can export our subtitles as an SRT or VTT format. Let's close this and go back to video. Once you're ready to export your video, click on Export, and your video will begin exporting here. Now to go back to the main dashboard, navigate to the top left-hand side and click on the Home icon here.